Welcome. You're about to watch the design flyover of the Fargo-Moorhead Area Diversion Project. It was put together in December of 2013. Here you see the Fargo-Moorhead metro area. You see the Red River running through the middle, with the diversion channel to the west on the North Dakota side. The project begins in Minnesota with a tieback levee. The tieback levee is roughly 5 miles north of the city of Comstock, Minnesota, and about 10 miles south of the city of Moorhead, Minnesota. The reason for the tieback levee is to help retain and store water in the staging area, which you see here in the red. Originally, the diversion plans had impacts downstream all the way to Canada. The switch to the staging area allowed the impacts to be controlled upstream and also nearly eliminated downstream.
The line work on this video was produced by the Corps of Engineers. Various stages of design have occurred to date, with more detailed design on the north end of the project. On the south end of the project, we have conceptual design and line work, again produced by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
As the map scrolls over the design in North Dakota, you can see where it crosses the Red River and also where it crosses the Wild Rice River. And then as the design changes some, you can see where the actual channel begins just to the east of the Cheyenne River.
You can see a Wild Rice control structure on the map. That will be a gated control structure that will allow operation to close gates on the Wild Rice River and force waters into the diversion channel.
During a 100-year flood event, the water at the Fargo gauge, because of the inlet structure and the diversion operations, will be at 35 feet, which is roughly a 7-foot drop in flood stage.
Here you can see the diversion inlet control structure, which will be a gated structure that allows flows to enter into the diversion channel. The diversion channel will wrap around the south side of Horace. There will be an aqueduct structure that allows the Cheyenne River to pass over the top of the diversion channel. And under high flows, the aqueduct structure will have a spillway that allows floodwaters from the Cheyenne River to spill into the diversion channel below. The channel then goes around Horace on the west side of the existing Cheyenne River diversion and travels north parallel to the existing Cheyenne diversion channel. This diversion channel will be different than the Cheyenne diversion channel in some ways. The Cheyenne diversion channel has a water surface that is higher than existing ground conditions. That limits the ability to drain waters, floodwaters, into the Cheyenne diversion channel. The proposed Fargo-Moorhead Metro Diversion Channel will have a water surface that is lower than existing ground conditions, allowing for positive drainage under most flood events, improving drainage both inside and outside the diversion channel. The channel goes around the Raymond interchange on I-94 and then heads north again towards the Maple River. Drain 14 will be rerouted to enter into the diversion channel just south of I-94. Currently, that Drain 14 area floods along the I-94 area, and this will be a way to improve the drainage in that part of the world. You can see here that the diversion channel will cross I-94 west of West Fargo, west of the Raymond interchange. There are actually 3 times that the diversion channel will cross the interstate highway, I-29 twice and I-94 once. You can see here that we're approaching the Maple River. Again, at the Maple River, we'll have an aqueduct structure that allows the Maple River to be conveyed over the top of the diversion channel under normal flow conditions. Under flood conditions, the Maple River will spill over into the diversion channel below. There are several railroad crossings throughout the 35-mile channel. Here at the Lower Rush River, we'll have an inlet structure that will allow the Lower Rush River as well as the Rush River to enter into the diversion channel. The Rush and Lower Rush Rivers east of the channel will be truncated, and you can see the meandering low-flow channel in the bottom of the diversion that will be suitable to have flows from the Rush and Lower Rush Rivers.
You can see in the design in the northern area of the channel that the design is much further along than it was in the south, and you can see a number of county road crossings, and all county bridges will follow design standards of both the county and the state.
All bridge designs on the project have been coordinated with state and county officials with incorporation of comments from school districts and township officials and emergency responders and a variety of other representatives that need access to the rural areas. You also notice that there will be some opportunities for recreation, trails, and pathways along the diversion channel route. Some county roads and county bridges will be revised so that they cross the diversion channel in perpendicular fashion. And you can see here the outlet structure just up by Georgetown, Minnesota. Georgetown, Minnesota is off in the distance there. For more information about the diversion project, please visit fmdiversion.com. Thank you for watching.